leave it open. Where you going? Brandon, where you going, cuz? Nigga, where you going, cuz? We can't. Huh? Happy fucking birthday, nigga. Happy fucking birthday, nigga. The Exorcist, cuz. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Brandon, turn up. Brandon, turn up. This is Brandon, turn down right here. You good, bro? You good, bro? Spit a spit a verse. Spit a verse, bro. It's like 10 minutes left for your birthday, bro. Anything you want to say?
Verse. It's time for the verse. I feel like this is a curse. Just help me off in the hearse. You know, I'm a kill kid. I did what I did. I'm out here moving it, grooving it, shooting it. Cause I kill shit. That's what I do. I'm out here with the crew. You know.